Then on dashboard reports, as you could see probably in the previous details, we have potential to create a map topology. So in this case, you just want to go into topology map and you have here editor. So if we click on this one that we want to edit, it will okay, just go here, and then as you can see we have settings and sharing. So you can say who we want to share this one, how often it should refresh. We gave it some name, and then you can place a node, so routers, switches, collectors, hosts, and probes, or some service, site, or subnet. And this way you put it either on a map, or you could use your own map, and then just connect the services between themselves with the links, and each link actually can have assign a profile where you will say what is the bandwidth of that link, so that way it will you can see it's symmetric, asymmetric, so if there is different bandwidth both ways, or just virtual, so there isn't really any bandwidth assigned to it. Asymmetric has different direct communication bandwidth, and symmetric is the same. And then it will actually show you how much is utilized between those two, so you can observe that. As I said, you can say graph, so then it will be just, let's call it test, and you see it will have just empty backend, so, or we can close it from here, so then we can delete it. And when we have a topology, yes, we can place it on the dashboard. So we have it here on the map. On that matter, you have actually two options how to display it, either for the dashboard or as a map, so with the link, or you can display it as a table. So if we modify this widget, you will see it's either visualization as a map or table. And in the table, you can say which columns you want to see, if you want to see the virtual link, and you can see the utilization of the link between those two routers for last 4 hours, or you can say for generic time span 24 hours usage.